Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the LSAT in 1 month. First, take a full diagnostic test to understand your current strengths and weaknesses. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively. Next, analyze your results to pinpoint specific areas needing the most attention. Finally, construct a rigorous daily study schedule, allocating specific times for each section and practice. Stick to this schedule diligently for the best results. Allocate dedicated time each day to focus on logical reasoning, logic games, and reading comprehension. For logical reasoning, practice identifying argument structures and common fallacies. For logic games, master diagramming techniques and efficient rule application. Reading comprehension requires consistent practice with complex texts and question types. Remember to complete timed sections regularly to improve your pace and accuracy under pressure. Thoroughly review every question, learning from both successes and mistakes. Integrate full-length practice tests into your schedule, aiming for at least 4 complete simulations. Take these tests under strict exam conditions to accurately gauge your endurance and timing. After each practice test, dedicate significant time to a comprehensive review. Don't just look at the correct answers. Understand why your incorrect answers were wrong. Identify recurring error patterns and adjust your study approach to target these weaknesses effectively. This iterative process is key to significant score improvement. In the final week, shift your focus to reviewing key concepts and common question types rather than learning new material. Prioritize getting adequate sleep and managing stress to ensure you're mentally sharp on exam day. Trust in your preparation and maintain a positive mindset. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other helpful deals. On exam day, arrive early, stay calm, and apply all the strategies you've diligently practiced. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.